Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Wash the face and neck with a facial cleanser. Then evenly apply toner. Apply the negative plate firmly against the recipient's back skin. Evenly apply RF cream to the face and neck. CETs reduce fine lines around the eyes. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy, 30%. Note, the foot pedal must be pressed to operate. Move the handle in circles under the eyes. Lift from beneath the eye to the temple. Elevate the eyebrow with the handle. Lift from the eyebrow to the forehead. CTM lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy, 30%. Note, the foot pedal must be pressed to operate. Glide the handle on 3 face areas. Move upward on the chin, from the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks, and upward to the hairline on the forehead. CETL reduce neck wrinkles. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy, 30%. Note, the foot pedal must be pressed to operate. Perform upward lifting movements on the neck. Move the device in upward circles on the neck. Cleanse the face and neck with a washcloth. Apply neck mask and face mask. Cleanse your face and neck thoroughly after removing the neck mask and face mask. Apply toner, essence, eye cream and facial cream.